from a whole nother planet. Ice on my neck, then. Oh!
Happy Vlogmas Day 2. I hope y'all enjoy this video because I enjoy making it. First, I start off by parting my hair down the middle. What I like to do is go from my nose and then up so I can make sure it's perfect. That little situation out the way, I took my comb and my fingers and I just started to detangle my hair. I also did the back, which is the more harder part. You just want to make sure that it's pretty straight. It's not perfect, as y'all can see, but it's doable. Once everything was nice and detangled, the first product that I used was this. I really like this, so y'all should get it. Everything I use is going to be in the description box and the price and everything. So I just put a nice little amount of that product on my hair to make sure that it was moisturized. The next product that I used was some Wetline Extreme Gel, and I made sure I put that everywhere that was going to be flat and also everywhere where the twist would be. Okay, now we're going to begin twisting, and basically what you want to do is you want to grab two sections and you want to flip the first section up and then you want to go under, if that makes sense. I really don't know how to explain it, but I hope y'all can watch and kind of get how I do it because it's kind of self-explanatory. If you know how to braid, you should know how to do this, and I'm telling y'all it's easy because I know how to do this, but I don't know how to braid. So this is what I do. If I know how to braid, I'll be braiding my hair right now. But yeah. And I did the same thing to the other side, but I'm going to just show y'all again. And I'm going to do it slowly so y'all can really see how I do it. Because y'all, I'm telling you, this hairstyle is a lifesaver. All you got to do is put your do-rag on, take it off, and go. next I just did my edges. I didn't really do it extra because I was going to go to sleep. So I just took a little bit of gel and slicked them down. Once everything was all put together, I just put a do-rag on and I went to sleep. So when I woke up, it would be nice and smooth. And then I just woke up and did my edges. You can make them as extra as you want them because this hairstyle is kind of boring without them. And you also can make it extra with some hair clips and accessories, just anything. And boom, we're going to use some miracle drops and make sure we put that all over our scalp so we can have nice shiny hair. And my code will be in the description box because you know your girl got to. We need to save all the coins we can. And right now all I'm doing is putting some clips on my hair just to give it that extra yes ma'am, y'all know how I do it. And that's really all y'all have to do for this protective hairstyle. I love it. I hope y'all do. I'll be wearing this for a day or two and then I'm just wear it out in a twist out. I'll probably do a video of that too. And yeah, this is just me at school sitting down. But love y'all. Have a great day.
Hey yo, I've been a bad bitch, Kakiana, and I'm still winning Pakiana. Percocets, Papiana, killing everybody beat. Thank you next, Ariana.